What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, these are all the rage. Got the display box. All you have to do is put it in your cart and walk out with it. They'll let you have it. If they say no, you're not allowed to have it, look them right in the eye. Hold up your left hand as if to tell them to stop. Hold up your right hand and point to them and say, "It's okay." And then point to their name tag and say their name. And it'll be okay. Trust me. But here is something I heard was not okay. So we're going to try it out. There we go. Set the glow-in-the-dark chase one there. And we are going to systematically, very carefully, open up. Now, I should be an expert on this, since I've done it so many times with the Captain Crunch. All right. We're going to set those aside. Here is the Incredible Hulk Pop PEZ dispenser. Well, there is a lot of parts to this. All right, so that's a part. That's a part. Faceplate is a part. Okay, it's actually the whole green piece is a part. Here's another part. This looks detachable as well. Wow. No wonder they're charging so much for these things. $7.9 made in China. This is a crossover thing. And rumor has it that the candy kicker will break off if you use this dispenser too much. Well, mine isn't breaking off. And that was the whole purpose of me buying these. So it doesn't break off. Huh. Yeah, I'm kind of angry too, Incredible Hulk. Now, Incredible Hulk, he looks okay as a pop. He's a bad guy. He makes bad, angry faces and everything. But even Bob Ross looks dead inside. Just look at him. I know Bob Ross is dead and all, but you don't have to put him in a little coffin here. Cyanide and happiness, I swear. Every time I see this, it's a new episode. Just me. So that's what I have for you. A boring video about these boring old Pop PEZ. And they didn't even break the way they're supposed to. You're dead inside to me. You're dead inside to me. I don't like the PEZ license stuff. It's just me personally. I mean, I understand the craze with the pop. They're nice stackable boxes. Okay, and they look good. When you take them out of the boxes, it's a little bit more difficult to display them. But yeah, it's what it is. It's here. There's nothing we can do about it. So hopefully they make some good quality products that don't break. So I guess I've proven the rumor false. This does not seem to have a manufacturing error. Looking good. Back to your coffin you go, you dead thing. So until next time.